Hello, Nomad Sculpt, and in version 2.3 there's a new option for the tube tool, so you can now hide different tube nodes. So you can select between the curve nodes, twist, radius, profile, and so on. Okay, so and there's also other new feature here. This is the merge button here, or the merge, avoid merging. So I show you. First, here in the top menu you find here a new icon, so the show icon. So you can long press, and then you can here select between the nodes you want to see. And it's also possible to press only here to switch through the view modes. So okay, so long press, and then you can choose what you want to see, maybe only the curve. Then yeah, it works like this. So and the next thing is here, when you move such a node and bring it near to another node here, so it becomes red, and then the point is deleted. And here you see such a merge toggle here. So when you press here, so now the merging is avoided. So now it's possible to place this node over the other node. So it's useful when you see it in another view here, maybe here like this, and then we want to place it in this direction, so here. So no merging. So this is this toggle here. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, have fun with sculpting, and ciao.